Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the new tools that just dropped, the new holiday 2021 gift section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Guys, this one's fairly new too. A lot of sockets here, a lot of 3 different sizes and ratchets. Got some drawers here on this toolbox. So I heard nothing but good things about this. The only thing is that those drawers slide out when you carry it. That's what I heard. But other than that, the rest of the tools are completely fine. There's a whole bunch of tools in there. Got $14.97 for the long nose pliers, the linesman's pliers, or the diagonal cutting pliers. They're all 8 inches except for the one on the right. This is 8-inch diagonal cutting pliers. Then got some 8-inch long nose pliers and then 9.5 linesman's pliers. These are all from Crescent. I really like the handles. Handles are really thick. They have a lot of weight into these. They seem very well constructed. A little bit heavier. You can just tell the quality of the metals used on these pliers, basically. But yeah, this was actually the heaviest. This one was a beast. But yeah, like I said, quality is their number one here on Crescent. So pretty good stuff. All right, so here's some more Crescent here. $14.80 or $97 for the adjustables. $9.97 for the aviation snips. So pretty good deals on these two. I would like to get the adjustables. I did forget to get them. There was just so much here. We got a self-leveling cross laser, Bosch. It says range up to 30 feet. So these are pretty nice. If you want to level out some cabinets or doing some remodels, a door or something. There you go. So $19.97 for that stud finder. It's like a kit. So if you want to hang like a picture frame or a TV or something. It's pretty nice for the homeowner and the DIY. Alright, got the Gorilla maximum gripping gloves gift box. 20, count of 20. $29.98 for the 2-amp fully automatic battery charger and maintainer. So these are good if you have like a boat or ATV or side by side. These are 6 volts to 12 volts. So if you have maybe a something that's a 6 volt and it's a gel AGM, so it's compatible with all those. $9.97 for the 1.5 to 16 Husky ratchet straps. These are very beefy, very beefy, very thick. It's 1,000 pound working load per strap. I got a Husky 8-gallon oil-free air compressor. Who uses air compressors nowadays, right? Because everything's powered by a battery nowadays. So $129. These are going down in price. Not a lot of people are using those. So $17.97 is a 1/4 inch by 50 polyurethane air hose. So same thing with these. You're going down in price because nobody wants them. Alright, you got some tough system here. They got a good sale. If you guys haven't watched my videos with the tough system and the packouts, they are hackable online if that's what you want to do. I'll see if I can link up with the video for you guys. But yeah, these are some great prices on these. Definitely check them out if you're into the yellow or the red. Definitely check out. These are great prices. Prices you're not going to see until next year. And if you guys see it, guys, jump on it because these will sell out. These just fly off the shelves, basically. $69.97 for the PACKOUT Tool Box. Alright, this is the way it is. This is the way it looks on the PACKOUT deal that they got going on. This is $199. It includes the 3 pieces with the crate on the top. That's a really good deal here. So $44 for the top, $89.97 for the middle, and $139 for the bottom if you want to buy them separate. If you buy them as a kit or as a bundle, you can pay $199. And these are hackable, like I said. Online you can order them separately as of now today. I don't know by the end of this day if they're still there. but I just made a video, and there you can buy just one and return the rest, however you want to do it. $19.97 for the Deep Compact Organizer, Touch System 2.0. So these are like half organizers. You can put two on each side. $29.97 for the Pro System 10 compartments organizer from Rigid, and this is compatible with their Rigid Pro boxes. That's it right there. This is a great value here. $119 will get you the three, even the rolling toolbox. So all the three toolboxes will get you there, and will get you working, making that money. These are solid. So if you can't afford the red or the yellow, make sure you guys get the orange. Orange is a great value. They're tough system, you know, really tough. You can throw them on the back of your truck, and you know they're going to be in one piece. So $9.97 for this speed outs. Pretty nice little handy tool. You got $99 for the 106 piece exclusive mechanics tool set. This is from Gear Wrench. You got two different sizes. You got a whole bunch of sockets, no skips sockets. The sockets feature off loading design, off corner loading design. So it's a really nice socket set. I personally would invest in something like this, a little bit more quality. $199 for the 232 piece 1/4 inch 3/8 drive. Bunch of adapters, bunch of sockets, deep sockets, shallow sockets. You got spark plug sockets. You got a bunch of extensions, some bit drivers there. Really nice case. Yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, Gear Wrench is kind of like your middle grade to prosumer level tools. Even professionals use these. I do have some ratcheting wrenches from Gear Wrench, and I do like them a lot. They're really smooth. $69.97 for the 92 ratcheting wrench set, 18 piece. Oh, talking about ratcheting wrenches, here they are. So this is a really nice set of those ratcheting wrenches. Really nice chrome finish. So these are very needed in every garage. Turning the whole wrench is those days are over with. So $688 for the 25 feet tape measure. I still have one of those in the truck from like 5 years ago. They are still working fine. Alright, so $29.97, 7-inch torpedo level. Then you got a 24-inch magnetic I-beam level from Milwaukee. That was on the floor. So that's the torpedo level. Strongest magnets. Got some nice clear level there so you guys could see it. Then this is the longer one that they have. These are both Makitas or Milwaukee's, my bad. So pretty nice. They do got some magnets there on the edges, and high, really nice to see. I know there's some blue ones out there that they're really hard to see. I really like these green ones. They're just so easy to see the bubble there. And it's 40% thicker frame. You know, they last longer. $14.97 for the acrylic beanies. $19.97 for the hats. These are both Milwaukee's. We're still in the Milwaukee section here. Pretty nice hats. Not my style, but pretty nice hats. $69 for the screwdriving kit or the 2 batteries. Screwdriving kit's pretty nice. I would definitely jump on that if that's what you need. It's a nice to have around the house too. Alright, you got the impact driver dirt driver for $99. 2 batteries, charger in a bag. Simple, and will get you the job done. We'll get all those screws and everything tightened up for you for $99. And you got the fuel, top of the line here, M12. Got a big battery, a small battery. It seems like it's a 3 and maybe a 2 or something, or 1.5 for $179. Alright, got some impact sockets, $14.97. You got 2 batteries, two 3 amp hour batteries for $99, and then you got a 6-tool combo kit for $2.99. So those are the two batteries for 3 amp hour batteries. That's the socket set. So I have this socket set, works really nice. I beat the heck out of these sockets every time I'm making videos for you guys. Alright, so they got this combo kit, 100 piece Impact X driver bit set. $125 value, 100 piece. So we got a whole bunch of 1-inch bits, some Phillips, some star bits, some more star bits, some more Phillips. So a whole bunch of kits. A whole bunch of bits. Got some 2-inch bits, a magnetic sleeve, a nut driver there, looks like it. And it's impact rated. And you do get some Robertsons with this one too. You got a 21 degree 3.5 round head framing nailer. I did not get the price for this, so I'm just showing you guys because something new that I saw. $3.99 for the 15 amp double bevel sliding company miter saw. This is the 779 DWS 779. Is the next one down to top of the line of DeWalt's. You got $2.99 for the 15 amp corded 8 1/4 table saw. Pretty nice. You guys know DeWalt's, solid as a rock. $19.97 for the 2-pack 60 tooth finish Advanti Pro. $29.97 for the 2-pack 12-inch 80 tooth fine finish saw blades. It's a pretty solid brand here. $4.88 for the framing saw blades 7 1/4. These are poor man's blades, guys, and they will get the job done. So I've used these blades, and they're pretty good. They're not going to be your carbide tipped or anything, but they'll get you through that job, and very inexpensive. You got $99.97 for the handheld pocket jig. There's that, pretty nice. I personally don't do any fine woodworking or something or stuff like that, so I'm not into this. There's a lot of you guys that are doing fine woodworking and cabinets and stuff like that. You got some battery kit here. This is a charger, and it does include a charger. My bad, I can't talk to this, a little late. But you get a whole bunch of batteries, and did not have a price on that. You got universal mobile miter saw stand for $149. Was regular price $199. Got some big wheels there and a handle. Alright, got a miter saw here. It's dual bevel miter saw. $279. Then you got a slider on the other side for $3.99, which I did not, or $3.99, which I did not film. I ended up skipping it. So $79 your choice on these. $59 your choice on this one too. The fan's really great value. Does include a battery and a charger, so that's a really great value for $60. Usually the fan by itself it's $50. You got a really nice vacuum here, 16-gallon wet and dry. These things are huge. That's the only downside about these. Guys, these are tanks basically. These will run forever. If you throw them around your pickup truck, they'll live through the weather, through the rain, the snow, whatever. But they're tanks basically. They're built for quality. The only thing that they're huge and big and heavy. So you got the MAXFIT 30 piece. You got some 2-inch Phillips. You got some star bits, some 1-inch Phillips, magnetic sleeve, and then you got some nut drivers there. Got $149 for the impact driver, drill driver. These are atomic tools with 2 batteries, a charger. So these are basic batteries. Don't expect to get the ones with fuel gauges. These don't even have that. Just really basic batteries. Great for the DIY, even for the professional. They'll get you through the job definitely. Quality tools are DeWalt. And that's the picture of the new impact driver. Those are the kits that you guys can get for $99. So these are pretty nice kits. You can get the new impact driver. You can get the one-handed reciprocating saw, the circ saw. That's the oscillating tool. I have this oscillating tool. It's awesome. Blade or a toolless blade change. This is the new impact driver. They got plenty here. 99 bucks for the 8-fit DCF 850. I just did a video on this thing. Make sure you guys check it out. I'll link it up above on the right hand corner for you guys. Yeah, but this thing's awesome. Has a lot of power for its size. You could almost say it's more powerful than the XR version. You got the one-handed reciprocating solder for 99 bucks. And then you got this 130-piece MAXFIT multi-use combination drive set, $29.88. Pretty nice. Compatible with the VersaStack and the T-Stack from DeWalt. So, lots of bits in here. Tic-tac, some wood drill bits, some 2-inch bits, some nut drivers. Magnetic sleeves, some 4-inch bits, some 1-inch stars, torques, however you want to call them. Guys, they still got these. These are $9.88 at this store only. $14.88 on your regular store. All other stores are $14.88. Even online, they're $14.88, I believe. This store is $9.88. I don't know why. Is this going to be a Black Friday price? It might be. It might not be. But I will be making a video on that right angle adapter. $14.97 for the 19-ounce Melifel's hickory framing hammer. Pretty nice. Milwaukee. Really like the wood handle on that one. Looks pretty nice. Guys, we got $4.99 for some, what is it, a 6-tool combo kit with the rolling toolbox tough system. Looks like tough system 2.0. Yeah, 6-tool tough system kit, $4.99. And then we got the atomic rotary hammer. And then we got a 4-tool combo kit here for $2.99. Atomic. Then we got a bandsaw for $1.99. So you buy any of these $199 kits or these spare tools, and you guys receive a 5 amp hour battery for free. If you guys return the battery, you guys are going to get this kit for around $120, $110. So that's the battery you get for free if you buy that $199 kits at the bottom. Same thing with this. If you buy this $199 impact wrench, which I do already have videos on these. I did test this tool out, and make sure you guys check out that video. But yeah, you buy any of those tools at $199, you get a free battery. That's a really good deal. Like I said, if you guys don't want the battery, you guys can return it and keep the tool at the discounted price. This is a really great deal. Definitely check it out. And then we got the $2.99 kit 4-tool combo from Atomic. Alright, we got some Porter cable, $129 for the compressor, $2.99 for the whole kit with the, I believe it includes 2 guns, nailers. We got build your own combo kit from Rigid. You know what, guys? They covered it up. I could not see it. I could not peel it off because there was employees around me. But we can get an idea. Maybe there's going to be some sort of discount or maybe a buy one get one free or something. There is a starter kit right there to the left. Who knows? Maybe it's a buy one get one free. Hopefully, or 2 for $150 or something, or $99. Hopefully. You got $119 for the combo kit on the top and $2.99 for the combo kit at the bottom. So that's the way it looks. Like I said, I cannot uncover those, but hopefully we can get some prices soon. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.